Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when you're not receiving notifications on your Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, grab your Apple Watch and check if the Bluetooth is on it. To check it, you have to press the digital crown once, then on the app list, open settings, and then scroll down to Bluetooth section and open it. Now scroll down and see if Bluetooth is enabled. So to enable it, you have to switch this toggle to the right. Next, check if your watch is connected with your iPhone. To do that, press the side button to open the control center and check if you see this green phone icon indicator or icon at the top. And that means that your Apple Watch is currently connected to your iPhone. Now you can also see if you have airplane mode or D&D mode enabled on your phone, and if they are enabled, then turn them off because they will prevent notifications from appearing on your Apple Watch screen. Now if you want to check notifications for some specific apps, you have to use your iPhone. So first unlock it and then go to the app library. Go to the app library and search for the watch application. Open it, and here you have to select My Watch, select the watch that you're currently using, then go to notifications, and now to check notifications for some specific app, you have to tap on it on the list and check if the notifications are allowed for this application. So this option has to be selected in order for you to receive notifications from this application. And once you ensure that once you make sure that everything is aligned, just like in my case, then you'll start receiving notifications on your Apple Watch. Now also I want to mention that you're not gonna be receiving notifications on your Apple Watch when you're using your iPhone. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.